Anyway, there's nothing lost in me if they gone. Those fake people that I thought that can be trusted. There's nothing lost in me because I have plenty people here. Thank you, Vino. Shout out with you. I have plenty people who really knowing in me that can be trusted and can be, friend, a good friend. What you say, Vino? Hi, Princess. Stay strong and keep your good friend. Yes, thank you, Vino. Thank you so much. Don't let yeah, I know. I'm still never give up, never give in. I'm here. Even though they're keeping warning to the people because some of couple people telling on me while I'm in the town that Princess, they keeping tell to the people that don't trust the sweet Princess Anne. Well, it's up to you. It's up to the people. I'm not pushing myself to trust in me. Did I invite you to come to my channel and to trust in me? I never invite anybody. Remember, guys, this is not my first timer in the YT. This is my second account. My first account is already monetized. And everybody knows that I'm a good person. Before, it's a when I got like my first account, when I was monetized that one and I have get the salary, then the haters say, oh, how can she get the 2K turning to 3K subscriber? They got problem about it. But they never know that I'm working hard that one to raise it up that one. And there is the problem a little bit, but I deactivate for a while. I fixed already the problem for my first account. I deactivate from the help of my couple friend. Thank you for teaching me how to apply to activate and deactivate my account. My first account, my old account. This is my second account. So I'm so thankful for those people, even though they are not comment in here, they are in the background. Thank you so much. Thank you. In behalf that they keeping said, oh, don't trust the Sweet Skate or Princess Anne. Well, there's nothing lost in me. Because I already like experience with a friendship that turned into a worst. That's why my topic about is trust to the person or not to be trusted.